Hey, what's up guys, RCHobbySteve here. In today's video, I'm going to be unwrapping my brand new build that I'm going to be working on pretty soon. My wife went ahead and purchased me this 1/10 scale hard body Jeep Cherokee XJ. I used to have this body in the past and I got rid of it because I wanted to move on to new ventures. It was an axial based Cherokee hard body build that I got through a trade. Since getting rid of it, I've been keeping my eye on this body, and I know there's many different styles of it, and I wanted the most accurate one that was close to the real one. So for the price that my wife got this for me, it was a steal. So I want to share it with you guys. Still in the plastic. As you can notice, I also have some U-Haul boxes and other boxes on the side. I'm in the process of moving into this brand new apartment. We still have some boxes around and bits and pieces. So this is gonna be like my hobby area slash my wife's hobby area. So something new. I didn't move to a different location, just a different building. So I'm looking forward to making many videos in this apartment and sharing lots of memories with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead. I have my X-Acto knife to cut this open. The first thing I'm gonna share with you guys before I crack this open is this came from Club 5 Racing on eBay. So it did come with the Cherokee XJ hard plastic stickers, I would say. So you have it where it says Jeep Cherokee Limited 4.0 liter Sport. So some cool little decals here for me to add to the body when I'm ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So just a little Alright, so I got it unwrapped. So this is the 4-door version. This isn't the 2-door version that you guys usually see. I do not know what that Jeep is called. So here you go. This is my first time seeing the body in pieces. Before, when I got the XJ in a trade, it was already put together. Windows were like all spray painted and stuff. So if you do go back into my Instagram page and go back a couple months, probably like last year-ish, you'll see the pictures of that Jeep. And I only had it probably for like 2 weeks and I got rid of it because I just needed something new, I felt like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these items out the packaging. It's just the bits and pieces that go to the truck. Go ahead and turn this around here. So that's what it looks like together. And I am planning on, I'm gonna screw this together. Oh, sorry about that. I am gonna screw this together and afterwards probably put putty on the outside and on the inside door around it, just to keep it all as one piece, because I'm not planning on taking the body apart anytime soon again once it's built. And I'll get to this afterwards because I'm debating on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and then share with you the contents of the bag. Alright guys, so I have it all laid out. Took me a little while to lay everything out because I really wanted to get familiar with what this kit came with. It's obviously again my first time having a kit with so many pieces, besides my Cross RC truck that I used to have and I got rid of. So right here we have the instruction manual. So for those of you who bought the kit and you don't have it, this instruction manual, there you go. You can pause the video if you want to. So starting from the top all the way down, we have what I believe is the front and rear windows. They feel high quality. I haven't quite opened the packaging yet because I'm obviously not ready to put these on yet, so I'm gonna leave that nicely packaged. We have the rear door panel, the rear bumper. Then we have our accessory bag with the light lenses for the rear, the front. Yep, the front light buckets are here. We have the front lenses, the door knobs, windshield wipers, side mirrors, and then also all the windshields, all the side windows and all that good stuff. Then we have our little bags of our little bag of screws, of course. And then this kit came with the updated rubber fenders. This one doesn't have the fenders that are built into the front bumper, so this is more of the updated version. I guess a lot of people were complaining about the fenders that were connected to the front bumper, because if you remove the front bumper, then it removes the fact that you have the fenders on the side, and people really like that. So now they give you the option to put your own fenders. There's no holes in the body, so what they do is they provide you with a really sharp needle, and I read the instructions. They recommend you heat it up till it's red hot, and then line this up with some tape to fit it to where you want it. And then while the needle's red hot, you poke through the hole, and it'll go through the body, so that way you have the exact size you need for the screws that is provided in the packaging. So I don't know yet if I'm going to be running the fenders, because I'm going to be putting this on my Venture, in my HPI Venture, which is running 4.19 class 1 KM3 tires. So I'll just have to see when this is seated on the truck to see what I like. So of course you have your front bumper, your front grille, and then your front frame piece, and then the front and rear cab of the truck. Now to the paint. I had asked my wife what color she sees on the truck, so of course she went with a colonial red. So this is obviously Rust-Oleum. I have used paints like this in the past on hard bodies and never had an issue. I might sand the body down, even though this is a gloss. I don't know if I'm gonna have the body glossy. I might, just to have the truck looking more newish. But I don't know if I'm gonna sand down this body first and then apply the paint, so that way it has a nice surface to be applied onto. And then while I'm applying it, I'm gonna do light coats first. I'm gonna make sure I do it right, so that way I don't screw this one up. As for black paint, I know I'm probably gonna end up doing the whole front piece black, and then the bumpers as well black, the rear and the front. I do have to look up some pictures of some XJs in that color, just to get a feel of what kind of style I want to go with, because I'm obviously not sure what I want to do yet. But my first primary action is to get the body propped up on the truck, which I'll show you what it'll probably look like. Let's just move some pieces to the side. So far, this kit is super high quality. I'm really liking it. So right now I have my Element body on my HPI, because I really didn't like the HPI Venture body. It was really crappy, especially the condition it was in. So of course I have the battery in the rear, but I might do some changes to the layout. I'm not exactly sure. I have to see what's out there for like mods, what people do here and there, so I can figure out what I can do to this truck. This truck already has some STRC upgrades to the front, a really good servo. It has a winch thing here. So just some little bits and pieces to see what I can do. I might change this to metal sliders, so on and so forth. So truck is going to take me a while, and obviously I need to get rid of these crappy plastic links, belly links. So I'm most likely gonna make my own and figure something out. So right now, for wheelbase, I don't know if I have tape around me. The tape will make it a whole lot easier. have a mess of stuff in this room, so I do apologize. Alright, so I don't exactly know where the tape is at, because I haven't quite unpacked yet, but we have an idea. The wheelbase is pretty spot on, as you can tell. So far, just like this, I'm really liking the way the truck looks. I am going to have to lower these body posts. I don't know if I'm going to go with body posts or make my own little mount here, and then use Velcro. Most likely I'll use the body post, but I just have to figure out how high I want the body, and so on and so forth. The sliders are going to be metal. It's just going to look really good. I miss having a small tire truck. This is a 1.9 tire, but it's a small 1.9 tire, so the truck is going to look good. The truck is going to perform well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a lot of talking. I just wanted to be very thorough with all the parts, what truck I'm going to be using, so you guys have an idea of yourself, of what you can possibly use, and you know, just go out there and build a nice truck. Have fun with whatever you guys have. So I'll be catching you guys in the next video. Hopefully the next video is going to be a run video of the Red Cat Gen 8. I still have it, guys. I just haven't had time to run it and record a video. I might go back to the construction site and record a video there, or try to make it out to Green Hill and record a video for you guys. But as soon as I'm completed moving, obviously with all this mess that I have here, more videos are going to be coming out, like a lot, so stay tuned for that. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed and watched my videos, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace out.